What if you could build your own AI assistant that works for you every single day, automatically? Imagine an AI agent that searches the internet, gathers useful information, summarizes it, and sends it directly to you, without you doing anything. The best part is, you can build this in less than 15 minutes, and you don't need to know how to code. If you enjoy learning about AI tools and automation that save time, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Now let's build your first AI agent. What is an AI agent? Before we start, let's quickly understand what an AI agent actually is. Most people think AI agents are just chatbots, but they're very different. A chatbot waits for you to ask a question. An AI agent can actually act on its own. You give it instructions, tools, and a trigger, and it performs tasks automatically in the background. Think of it like having a digital assistant that works for you 24 hours a day. Today, we're going to build one using a platform called Zapier. And the best part is, you can do this without writing a single line of code. Step 1. Create your agent. First, go to Zapier and create a free account. Once you log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the left side, look for the section called Agents. Click it and then select Create Agent. This is where you'll start building your AI automation. Give your agent a name. For this example, we'll call it Daily News Scout. This agent will search the internet every day, find the most important news about artificial intelligence, summarize it, and send it directly to your email. Step 2. Set the trigger. Next, we need to tell the agent when it should start working. This is called the trigger. For this example, choose a schedule trigger. Set it to run once every day. You can choose any time you want, but a good option is around 8 in the morning. That way, every morning your AI agent automatically collects the latest AI news for you. Step 3. Write the instructions. Now we tell the agent exactly what its job is. The great thing about this system is that you can write the instructions in plain English. For example, search for the top 5 news stories about artificial intelligence from the past 24 hours. Summarize each story in 2 or 3 sentences. Include the source and a link to the article. Then format the results as a clean, numbered list. That's it. No coding and no complicated setup. The AI understands the instructions and follows them. Step 4. Add tools. Next, we give the agent tools so it can actually perform the task. The first tool we add is web search. This allows the agent to browse the internet and find real information. Without tools, the AI can only think. With tools, it can actually take action. Step 5. Send the results. Now we choose where the results should go. One easy option is email. Add Gmail as the output tool and set the recipient to your own email address. Now, every time the agent runs, it will automatically send the summarized news directly to your inbox. And just like that, you've built your first AI agent without writing a single line of code. Once you understand this system, you can build agents for almost anything. You could create agents that find content ideas, summarize emails, track market trends, or monitor social media. If you want to see more tutorials where we build powerful AI tools step by step, make sure you subscribe. And let me know in the comments what kind of AI agent you would build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.